Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Asana email notifications not coming. Many users miss task updates or project alerts via email, and this usually happens due to email settings, spam filters, or app glitches. First, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable networks can delay email delivery. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi. Step 1, verify Asana email notifications. Go to Profile Settings greater than Notifications and ensure email notifications are on. Check for tasks, projects, and teams. Step 2, check your spam or promotions folder. Asana emails may land there. Mark Asana as a safe sender. Step 3, confirm your email address in Asana. Go to Profile Settings greater than Email and verify it's correct and active. Typos or inactive emails block notifications. Step 4, clear browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache may block triggers. Clear cache and reload Asana. Step 5, disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or privacy tools may interfere. Turn them off temporarily. Step 6, update your browser or Asana app. Outdated versions may prevent notifications. Use the latest Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or app. Finally, contact Asana support if emails still don't arrive. Provide workspace, email, and steps tried. Support can check server or account issues. So yeah, fixing Asana email notifications is about checking internet, enabling email alerts, checking spam, verifying email, clearing cache, disabling extensions, updating software, and contacting support. Follow these steps and email alerts should start arriving normally. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one. Hello everyone. Today